I just want y'all to take a look at this. Look at this. Split pea. Huh? Huh. Split pea. Ooh wee. And rice. And a host of look at that. Look at that. Oh y'all, look at that. Yeah, y'all, sink your mouth into it. Woo. Is it hot? What does it taste like? It's good. They would be wanting to say you. You don't be saying nothing.
Do what?
I said they be wanting you to talk to them.
Who was that? YouTubers! How y'all doing out there?
Let me stop.
What does that mean?
What?
What does that mean? Oh, y'all remember this? Mixing that with a little bit of LaCroix.
LaCroix.
This is so
LaCroix.
good.
LaCroix.
It's so good.
Wait, is it LaCroix?
Do it taste hot to you?
Like spicy?
Is it spicy?
I like spicy.
Okay.
Me like
okay,
spicy.
now. He was saying that be making him want to throw up, but
Who said
he was
that?
eating it before.
Who said that?
You did.
Maybe more throw. I said it'd be too spicy, too hot. You trying to burn my tongue.
But it ain't too hot right now, is it?
Boy, she's a mess. Hot food, spicy. She be putting that hot stuff in there. Be burning people's mouths up. I told y'all about it. She be sneaking that cayenne pepper in there.
Yo, this is the bomb. Get with it. Feed your family. This is rice, lentils, cilantro, garlic. It's just soup. It's good.
She cook that stuff, make your nose be running. Every time I eat her soup, my nose be running. Got to be sniffing around here.
It's good.
It's you in the back for me. Wouldn't they be like for me? They be like it's that part for me. She's talking about some. Wait, what you? Dang.
Kings, queens, aunties, uncles, nieces, nephews, grandkids, granddaughters, kings. I can go on. But my message today, guys, is please pass the test. Do not pass out while we're going through. Just pass the test. Everything that's going on around us, everything, guys, everything. You know what I'm talking about? The sea thing, the crisis, the weather, just everything, job losses, struggling, things like that. Please remember, this is all a test. Okay? It is a test to test your accountability, your prayer life, and your family life. Think about what I'm saying. So please remember to pass the test. It's a net in here, sorry. Do not pass out through all of this. Pass the test. Stay strong. Put your shields on. Get your book out. And love and help and strengthen and feed and encourage all who you come in contact with. And guess what? We will all pass the test. They won't have nothing to bring to us if we all are instructed and we all are together as one. We can beat it all if we pass the test. So remember, you don't pass out in the test. Just pass the test. Okay, guys. So today is Friday. I think I said happy Friday to you all. So what is on my agenda today? Well, I'm getting ready to make a juice. Sorry again, y'all, for the smoke detector. Okay, we're working on it. We're working on it. But yeah, I'm gonna juice today. And I haven't, well, I've juiced because I smoothie, but I'm gonna juice today. Even though I don't have a blender, I'm gonna use my bullet to try to juice. And I'm gonna start juicing more like fruit drinks and like veggie drinks as well. So I'm gonna bring you guys along for that. I'm waiting on my girlfriend. She's gonna come pick me up. She decided to go to the Bookends. Today is Friday. So the one we're going to today, we have not been there in weeks. So gonna do that. You guys seen Mark, he was shoveling the driveway because we got more snow again. And guys, in my message yesterday, in my message today, I just want you guys to know, visit my other channel, okay, Simply Black Vegan. I just try to share what I can about like the things that I eat and the things that I incorporate in my meals to help us guys for what we're going through, to building your immune system. So that's another reason too why instead of me just doing the smoothies, I would like to also do, you know, the juicing because that helps too. So like I said, I'm gonna bring you guys along for that. I just told you where I'm gonna get ready to go. I am dressed for today. I have on my sweater from the bin, some jeans, and yeah, that's about it. I'm gonna throw my, what do you call those? My Ugg boots on and put my scarf on and put my wool cap on. So whatever I can bring you guys along for today, I will. And y'all, pray for people who have mental health problems that don't want to say or accept that they may have mental health problems, that they do break down from time to time because they're not willing to deal with their emotions and problems. And the way that they do deal with them is through drinking, smoking, things that are not going to help you. So let's pray for our people who are facing mental health crisis and issues, okay? So yeah, so guys, I know y'all probably like, what, Sonia, what you talking about today? But yeah, just pray for our people who are struggling in those areas. And I'll see you guys in the next clip. We're gonna go ahead and make us a juice, okay? Turn this thing around and show y'all. I'm at the Bookends. I'm going to show y'all what I just found. Look at this table. A pub grade table for $40. Do y'all see that? $40. All these people. They had scavenger hunting. I don't know if I'm going to get all this stuff, but I got a cotton rug here. Look at this basket. I'll just bring you guys along for a minute, and then I will end this, and then when we get home, I will show you guys what I got because I don't want to get copyrighted or anything like that. So, yeah. Home, y'all, they had a flower pot. It would have been $10, guys. It was perfect. The flower pot was it was ceramic, grayish white, with some kind of engraving around it, and it had black wrought iron legs. It was beautiful. It would have been $10, and it was the only one. And I spotted it in somebody's cart when we were getting ready to leave. So I'm just going to show you guys the things that I did get for $1 each, okay? And then I'll show you guys the table. I'm so grateful today. I got Nature's Truth hemp seed oil. Y'all know this is expensive. This was $1. You guys can see, got this for $1. I also picked up some raw sugar, simply hand washed, cold pressed pineapple, mahi berry, and coconut hand soap. This smells so good. The only thing I don't have a top, I'll find a top around here, but I needed hand soap, so I got something that I needed and I like, and it is vegan and cruelty free. So I absolutely love that. It says it right here that it's vegan. So got that. I got some 7th generation Ultra Power Plus dishwasher detergent packs. Bag has been open, but I don't care because we don't use the dishwasher a lot. Only when we have like large gatherings and company, then I can scald the dishes with hot water. But I got these for $1. I also picked up, guys, this is one of my favorites too. I've been eyeballing these just on the regular Target website. These are Bookends, guys. They were $15 original. $15 original. They are wood, black marble, and real marble. How beautiful are these for $1, guys? So for both of these together are originally $30. I got them for $1 a piece. I am going to use these on the table, and I'm going to put my vegan Bible in between. I'm going to put my Bible in here in between because now I have a place to sit and eat my food. Oh my gosh, I can't wait for the boys to see it. They're going to be so happy. But the only thing with this one, it came loose from the screw. I'm just going to super glue it. You can't beat it. Like I said, $15. These are absolutely beautiful. Natural elements in your home. Natural all wood marble pieces. Look at that. And like I said again, you guys can see, $15. So on to the beauty is the table, y'all. I love the table. Let me turn you guys around so you can see the table, okay? Hold the line, please. You guys, the table is originally $155 on the site. They hold it for me. I had to put my name, and this is what it looks like. You can go on the site and look. It's $155. Guys, it is beautiful, beautiful, real wood gray table for the kitchen. And look at the chairs behind it, even though they're not placed up on it, how nice that's gonna look. So yeah, guys, I just wanted to show you my finds today. I really love this table. Like, you can't beat that. This is the exact kind of table that I seen at the if you guys remember, this is the same style table it was at what is the name of that place I went to? You guys remember, not Home Trends, but At Home Store. So the At Home Store had the same table. The wood was a little different, but it looked just like this. This is the way it was made, and it was a pub table. So yeah, guys, I'm so excited about my finds today. I'm so grateful and thankful. Guys, thanks for hanging out with me today. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to love yourself so that you will love others, and this world will be a much better place. Okay? I'll see you guys in the next one, and I'll throw in a clip of how the table and everything looks when I get done with it. Bye, guys.